welcome to Vlogmas day 12, an even number. What was like on the 12th day of Christmas my true love gave to me? I don't remember a whole stuff. I don't have a true love, so I haven't gotten turtle doves or a ring or anything like that, but I just wanted to quickly hop on here and do an introduction because it's another office work day, and so I have to commute today to a different office towards the sunset. So I'm going to be wearing my big poofy red jacket because the offices are so cold. Like yesterday, I had to wear my coat on indoors the whole time because it was so freaking cold, and Sunset is naturally, I would say, one of the coolest microclimates in San Francisco. So if you're ever like traveling to San Francisco and you go out to the Sunset, you gotta pack a sweater, a thick one, because the cold out there is very different from the cold in the rest of the city. I am already running late, so I figured I can just pop in, do a quick intro before I hop out. And yeah, today's agenda is another work in the office. I really don't know if I'll film anything because I am in a very, very small office with like literally no privacy and like 50 people stuffed in there. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. Actually, before we continue, because I almost forgot, let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Brenda. I am a 30-something that lives and works here in sunny, freezing, and supposedly going to be raining San Francisco. And usually on my channel, I post videos about how I'm navigating life in my 30s, and every now and then I might sprinkle a DIY or a makeup tutorial, or at least I did in the past. So if you like that type of content, I encourage you to check out the playlist linked down below. I have the blogs of 2024, and I think most of them might be on there. I don't know, might have forgotten a few. And I've only been doing this for a year. So that explains the quality of the content and the amount of videos that I have. Like you can, and I'm saying this as like I watch my work back, like the videos that I've done, I'm like, I should have done this or I should have done that, or yikes, you know? But it's all a learning experience. And you know, if you like this video or you like any of the other videos, I encourage you to like and or comment on the videos. That helps the algorithm out to push my channel out there, as well as subscribe. I love having new subscribers, and I'm always very appreciative of the people that hop on and the people who interact with me. Yeah, let's go ahead and let's get going before I keep on rambling.
I've been naughty and nice, and from what I can tell, I've done more good deeds than I've told lies. I can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree. Then maybe this year Santa's coming to me.
So, hello, we are back home from work. I have to leave soon again because I agreed to meet up with a few coworkers at Round 1 in Stonestown. It's a new, Round 1 has multiple locations, but this is a new location that just opened up in Stonestown. So a few coworkers wanted to go and hang out, and so I'm gonna go and meet them over there. Technically they're all meeting at 6:30. I should probably leave soon. I'm gonna go ahead and head out, and I will see you later.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be, making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be, making our Christmas memories? Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you, I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies.
This is my favorite thing to do when I get off at Powell Street and taking BART or the other metro is walk to the Union Square metro station, so that I don't have to walk through traffic or people. As you can see, it's pretty empty, so it's pretty fun. It's a long walk though.
It's supposed to be, making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do.
Alright, it's still me, but we are through cinematography, you know, through the art of editing. I'm gonna put this clip at the end as my outro, so just in case I forget. I don't want to forget to do an outro, and likely because I did, you know, fun activity after work, I probably will not be uploading, which makes me a little nervous because tomorrow I have a Christmas party, so I don't know how my uploading thing is gonna work. Like, I'm gonna have to find time to edit my video. And recently it's been taking me, depending on how long the video is, but about 2 hours if there's no issues with either Final Cut Pro or uploading. It could take me like 2 hours to edit, so I am a bit concerned that I will not post it up, but I did vlog each day. It's just going to be an issue of uploading. With all of that, I want to thank you if you made it this far into this video. Also, I just realized that we're halfway done with Vlogmas, which is exciting. I think we're a little over halfway. No, we're about the halfway point, because my plan as of now is only to vlog, time permitting, up until the 23rd, and then from there no more vlogs, because I am going to be spending time with family. So we're halfway there, yay. But yeah, I do want to thank you for making it this far into the video. I welcome you to subscribe to my channel. It would be very much appreciated. It'd be like the best Christmas gift ever. I appreciate so much when I get new people to kind of subscribe to my channel. I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 13, which will be a working day in the office as well as a holiday party. So I'll see you then. Bye.
This year Santa